this myth about the age limit. I want to tell you that it is a myth that has been put into our heads by ourselves. We have put this myth into our own heads.
If anybody asked me what I wanted to do in life, it was always to have babies. So वो अगर मेरा ambition पूछो आप तो it was
Me
to have
too.
babies.
Me too. Me too. I realized one very important thing in my life. That I realized that that I am very, as it is, I was not one of those people who like to go out. मुझे तो ज्यादा बाहर जाना पसंद ही नहीं था, तो मैं बहुत खुश थी अपने खुद के कंपनी से, और मैंने रियलाइज किया है कि ये सही रास्ता है मेरे खुद की जिंदगी के लिए.
When two women come in the room and जब वो इस तरह की story बताती हैं, तो obviously it's not only healing for us in terms of a relationship, it's also aspirational from a point of view कि बॉलीवुड में कहा गया था कि हर हीरोइन की एक एज लिमिट है, right? And here you are, Renuka, rediscovering, like, we know that you were aging earlier in your early days, but
I want to cut you over there, Gunjan. I want to cut you over there. I want to say this myth about the age limit. I want to tell you that it is a myth that has been put into our heads by ourselves. We have put this myth into our own heads. Yeah. It is a myth. Yeah. It's not a myth, it's a lie, I would say. If you look back to our history, it is a lie. If you look back to our history, my mother was working, where you have Sharmila Tagore, you have so many actresses before who have all worked past, getting married, having kids, doing everything. Yeah. So, I mean, it is really a myth. It is a lie that we have told ourselves time and again कि शादी के बाद ये होगा, और शादी के बाद तुम लोगों को ये करना चाहिए, या हम खुद को शायद बोल रहे थे कि शादी के बाद हमको ये करना चाहिए और हमको ऐसे रहना चाहिए और हमको ये दायरे से के को पार नहीं करना चाहिए, या और या हमारी फैमिली क्या सोचेगी हमारे बारे में अगर हम काम करना शुरू करेंगे बाद में, या अगर हमने अपने बच्चों को ऐसे नहीं किया, या हम अगर अपने बच्चों को छोड़ के काम पे गए तो क्या सोचेगी हमारी फैमिली. It's what we put, it's this lie that we have perpetuated on ourselves on screen. I would say on screen, definitely, because I mean, whether you speak about from the time of a Nargis, I'm talking about, they have all worked after marriage. They've all done exceptionally well after marriage. And it is only now today that we have a social media, which is why we're bringing it to the fore and saying, now you all are path-breaking. We are not path-breaking. We're just doing what our mothers and grandmothers have been doing since time immemorial.
Yeah, without saying it.
Yeah, without saying it. That's feminism. That's feminism, not what we spout today. Definitely.
You're very right, and I think how beautifully put together, क्योंकि किसी और ने ये नहीं लगाया, but हमने खुद अपने डाउट भर कर लाइफ में कर दिया, and the career exists even after getting married and having babies.
बिल्कुल.
And मुझे पता है कि आप दोनों बहुत ही hands-on mother हैं, right? Now this is also for like mothers who feel super insecure for things like that. Like आप दोनों ने indulge किया है जब आपको लगा कि मुझे एक step back लेना है अपने professional life से और मुझे अपनी family पर focus करना है. But individually, I would like to ask from both of you, what was that point? What was this incident in your life which were like, ये age या ये moment मुझे prove करता है that now I can step back and now do things that I love?
As a child,
I never had that. Yeah, go ahead.
As a child,
no, go ahead.
If anybody asked me what I wanted to do in life, it was always to have babies. So वो अगर मेरा ambition पूछो आप तो it was to have babies.
Me too. You read my interview. I was 8.
Who wants to have babies when they're 8? But
that was, so I was I didn't think of myself in terms of work. Yeah, I want to do this, or I want to become an astronaut, or I wanted to become a pilot, or nothing like that. Yeah. My thing was, I want a lot of babies. So when I had them, I wanted to enjoy them so much. So it was nothing that, people had created or put on me or anything.
Exactly.
It was my own decision.
And this whole thing that people say that, you've sacrificed so much. I told them categorically, I said, it's not a sacrifice. It's a personal choice. I told my kids, मैंने अपने बच्चों को भी बोला ये. I said, ये मेरी choice है. काम करना मेरी choice है और काम नहीं करना भी मेरी ही choice है. और कभी ये मत सोचना कि तुमने मुझे काम से रखा है या तुम्हारी वजह से मैं काम नहीं कर रही हूँ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मैं यहाँ पे हूँ it is, I love it. I love my kids.
Yeah,
And fortunately for me, touch wood,
wood.
I like my kids also. So,
Yeah.
I mean, they're great. They're great personalities. They're cool.
Yeah.
They're funny. They give me, you know, they teach me so much.
So much,
And,
yeah.
you know, I love spending time with them. मुझे बहुत मजा आता है जब मैं अपने बच्चों के साथ cool हूँ. I'm sitting, I'm taking them out for lunch. I'm doing this with them. I'm doing that with them. I love it. I truly enjoy it. So when I do a film, when I say that I'm picky and I want to do a film also, I am picky because I feel that to take me away from that, something that I love so much, it has to mean that much to me as well. And that's exactly what I'm talking about, because motherhood to me, I feel that is that you have a choice. Whether you do film, whether you work or you don't work, should be your choice. You should not lose who you are in doing, either in working or in not working, and or I wouldn't say not working, but in staying at home.
Yeah. Absolutely, I agree.
So one last question, and I think it would be unfair to just pretend कि भाई जिंदगी normal आ चुकी है, क्योंकि जिंदगी normal नहीं हुई. We all had to go through lockdown, and we had our own cathartic experiences lockdown के बीच में. I would like to individually understand आप दोनों से कि क्या आप लोगों को भी वक्त मिला ये सोचने का कि मैं जिंदगी एक ढंग से जीती आई हूँ और इस lockdown की वजह से this one change मैं अपनी जिंदगी में अब लाऊंगी. Renuka ma'am, from you.
Well, I have realized कि मैं बहुत थोड़े में भी बहुत अच्छे से survive कर सकती हूँ. तो एक किस्म का थोड़ा सा मिनिमलिज्म मेरे अंदर आ चुका है कि जहाँ पर you know हम सोचते हैं कि ये जाना, वहां पर जाना, या ये खरीदी करना, वो प्लान करना, ये सारी चीजों के बगैर भी आप बहुत एक खुशहाल जिंदगी जी सकते हैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ, supporting other people who might not be as privileged as you, which, you know, luckily we could do through the lockdown. One does go beyond, apart from the fact that one feels ki family is everything, there's no doubt about it. But apart from that also, one feels ki agar aisa kuch aata hai, to you are able to provide a safety net for other people who you might be employing, or, you know, who is your staff or something. And I think that it's very, very good to know that you are of some use to not just you, but people around you as well. So I think that वो definitely sense एक आया है कि जो भी करो अपने लिए तो करो ही, लेकिन दूसरों के बारे में भी थोड़ा सोचो और करो.
That's something that we've all taken away from this pandemic. I think ये सब हम सब की सोच है. सिर्फ रेणुका और मेरी नहीं है. I think हम सब की सोच है, क्योंकि अगर आप देखें तो pandemic जब से शुरू हुआ है, so many charities are formed also, and so many people have taken it upon themselves, not even going to a charity, but taken it upon themselves कि हम जाएंगे, चलो हम लोग इनको 100 लोगों को खाना खिलाएंगे आज, चलो इतना खाना बनाएंगे. People have opened up vans, अपने डिक्की खोल के खाना रखा है, चलो जितने लोगों को आना है, जितने वर्कर्स हैं, वो लोग आएंगे और 50 लोगों का, 100 लोगों का दिन का खाना चल रहा है. I mean, this is people who have come out, and I would say that this pandemic has taught us with a big fat bloody ruler and broken it over our knuckles to say that we need to be compassionate to all the people around us, that we are not the only people living in the world. We are a small part of all the people living in the world, and that we need to go out, and everybody else is human as well. बाकी सारे अलग species के नहीं है, वो भी इंसान ही है. और you know, जो हमको भूख लगती है, जो हमको लगता है कि you know, अरे हमारे घर में ये नहीं है, ये वो नहीं है, उनके घर में तो खाना भी नहीं है. So I think that's one thing that I really appreciate about the pandemic, that there have been so many people coming out and of their own accord taking the initiative. नहीं तो लोग पूछते थे ना कि हम पैसे देंगे, अच्छा चलो बता दो कौन सी charity है. I mean, it was always a question of, you know, it's that, but it's not that anymore. And I think that's one of the most amazing things that have come out of the pandemic. And personally speaking, I realized one very important thing in my life. That I realized that I'm very, as it is, I was not one of those people who like to go out. मुझे तो ज्यादा बाहर जाना पसंद ही नहीं था, तो मैं बहुत अपने खुद के कंपनी से, और मैंने रियलाइज किया है कि ये सही रास्ता है मेरे खुद की जिंदगी के लिए. And I should stick to this only. Not try and fit in. जो मुझे लगता है कि you know, दूसरे लोगों की लाइफ है और ये है और वो है. I used to always think that, oh, my life is very different. And I realized that my life is not different, it's right. And it's right for me. So yeah, the pandemic has taught me that.
Right. Thank you so much, Kajol, for making the lockdown fun for us. And also like now coming out with this beautiful character that you have played on screen. And Renuka ma'am, you have been extremely, extremely vocal about not just the movie, but other issues. And I mean, as a woman, it's just so nice to see that people are, like people you actually look up to. Like we grew up seeing you, fall from the stairs and wondering, ki nahi, abhi kyun marna tha? To now being like, see, she has resurrected herself in ways that we're still to discover. So I feel like आप लोगों ने जो ये chapter खोला है त्रिभंग से, there are a lot more women who want to now like sort of talk about it. Like there's just so much discussion that's going on. And thank you so much for having this little discussion with us on Instant Bollywood. And thank you for inspiring us with your movie. Thank you, both of you.
Thank you so much, Gunjan. Thank you.